This is how we can copy photos to the clipboard on the iPhone. So it depends on where the photo is. For example, it might be inside of the gallery as usual. You open up the image, right? And you have the ability to click on the three dots in the top right and click on a copy. Now, the picture is copied in the clipboard in the background, and you can now paste it in the supported areas. For example, if I go to the notes and create a new one, I will have the ability to go to the body, right, and click on paste, and the image is going to appear right there. And in the meantime, it was stored in the clipboard. That's kind of how it works. The only problem with that is that you don't have the ability to paste or copy two pictures at once or separately into the clipboard. It only stores like one thing at a time, but that's like the limitation of the iPhone. Outside of that, you can also explore the Clipboard keyboard app, which is a little bit of a advanced thing, right? So there is an app which you can get. It looks like this, and it is essentially a keyboard where you have the ability to paste and store multiple different things. So in reality, it would kind of look like this, that it would be part of the keyboard like this. You would switch the clipboard one, right? And as you can see in there, you can paste and store multiple different things, right? And it just always is there. So that's essentially everything you need to know about it. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.